Hey, Riccardo here, and today we're going to see an AI brand research process. So this was a workflow built for a paid ads and email marketing agency, and the whole goal of that was at the beginning of an engagement with a client, we wanted to find something that was able to get a quick understanding of the agency, about the client, about the topic, and about brand voice, all this kind of stuff, so that later on this information can be either consumed pretty fast to have a better understanding of the whole topic of a client. Let's say they start working with a sleeping mattress company and they want to have a little bit more context about sleeping mattress. So this is the idea behind that. The workflow build, it seems pretty simple, but it involves a couple of different tools, and that is why it's really interesting. So what we have at the beginning is we use Google Forms to get relevant information that we need to map out and we need to analyze. That information then is passed on to RelevanceAI, which is the tool to build out different AI flows in different ways. And then finally, all the in RelevanceAI, what we have is we have a set of different prompts that are used to get information such as what are the common problems, what are the desires, goals, achievements, all those kind of things, and that all this information are sent out to different documents inside the Google Docs. So let me show you the Google Docs. So Google Docs is pretty simple. What we have over here is this is an internal document, so this is meant to be used as an internal document. Keep in mind, this document can also be filled out during the onboarding process, and we can further speed up the process by having this filled out in the onboarding part and have different things inside the onboarding, but instead we prefer to do it here. So here we have important information such as client name, the topic, so if they work for a specific kind of brand, such as like sleep, menopause, protein powered, powder, the goal here is to get as much of an understanding of a specific topic where the client is working as fast as possible. And then here we have information such as on-page URL, about page, and then blog URL that we can have. And there's a sneak peek over here for another thing that we are doing for them, but this is not ready, and I can wait to show you also that one in the future. So those are the things that are present over here. Then what is happening is when this is filled out, we are inside the RelevanceAI, and RelevanceAI starts to work. So in RelevanceAI, what we can do is we can build out different AI tools that have different specific functions. So in this example, what we wanted to do is build out a tool to get a better understanding of a topic in a specific market, and then later on I will also show you the brand part. So here what we have is we have user inputs, so initial user inputs that we get, such as client name, topic, and then the model that we're going to use. Here we can choose different AI models depending on what level of detail we want and things like that. And then here we have a different set of prompts, and all the prompts, keep in mind, all the prompts are matched up together by a get conversation history. So we get all the conversation and we keep all the conversation together so that we, like the next prompt as an additional context of what happened in the past, what are the things that were said in the past, and all those things like that. So here, as common and uncommon pain, challenges, customer pains, customer fears, customer pain release. So a bunch of different stuff around the topic, as well as emotional situation, phrases. And then what we do at the end is we send out the information to make.com. The other part here is the topic of brand research. So let me also show you the brand research. So here what we do is we take the inputs of the URLs, so homepage, about page, blog, and then what we do over here is we scrape the different pages and then we extract the information such as the brand information, brand voice and tone, comprehensive customer avatar, and all these things like that. And then finally, we send out all the information to make.com again. So in make.com, the final process is the following. So what happens in the final process is we have the 2 template documents, and those template documents are completed with the information that is present inside Relevance. So also let me show you quickly one example of document for brand. Okay, so this is an example of a brand research for iBuyPower, which is a PC gaming brand. And here we have all the different information about that, such as brand description, brand tone of voice, comprehensive customer avatar. All those kind of things are mapped out over here, and like they are pretty spaced out and easy in an easy to read format. So yeah, this is pretty much the workflow over here. What are the main use cases? Are first off, to familiarize yourself with a specific new topic if you haven't worked with a specific type of client. This also can be used as relevant material to create ads, and in the future also we are planning to use those different files as knowledge bases to create ads, and then also possibly create copy angles. Keep in mind this kind of structure for brand research can be applied, in this use case was applied to paid ads and email marketing company, but this can also be applied to any other kind of company, like cold email, like CRO, whatever the case might be. The most important thing here is just make sure that you have a clear understanding of what are the different sets of things that you would like to understand. You create a set of prompts and then you send those out to RelevanceAI, and you build out the tools within RelevanceAI. I have way more use cases of relevance that I would like to show you in the future. If you like this kind of setup, kind of workflow build out for you, just send me a DM either on LinkedIn or in the website. If you want to see more things such as this coming up, connect with me on LinkedIn or on YouTube. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.